Hi viewers, you are welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be talking about the 2025 Waec question. The first question in the objective questions. The question says, the diagram below illustrates a pulley system used to raise a load of 10 kilograms. If the effort F needed to raise the load is 70 newtons, calculate the efficiency of the machine. And a machine is a device in which force is applied at one end to overcome another resisting force at another end. And we have different types of machine. We have the lever, we have the inclined plane, we have the pulley, we have the screw. But for this question, we have the pulley system. And the first thing to know about a pulley system is the number of pulleys in the system is the velocity ratio. So for this question, the velocity ratio is 4. Once you count the number of pulley, pulley 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4. If you have 5 there, that means the velocity ratio will be 5. If you have 2, that means the velocity ratio will be 2. But for this question, we have 4. Therefore, our velocity ratio is 4. Velocity ratio is 4. And having known that, then we can now go to the question and write out everything we are given from the question. In the question, we were told that the load is 10 kilograms. The load should actually be in Newton. It should be a force, but this is a mass. Kilograms is used to measure mass. So we are going to turn the kilogram Newton unit to value to a Newton value, and that will be our load is 10 kilograms. In order to turn the kilograms to Newton, we multiply the value by 10, and this will be 100 newtons. 100 newtons, and that is our load. If the effort F needed to raise the load is 70, the effort has also been given. We have effort to be 70 newtons. We have to calculate the efficiency. The efficiency is what we are going to calculate. In order to calculate the efficiency of a machine, the formula to use is velocity ratio, mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio multiplied by 100%. So we are going to use efficiency is equals to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio multiplied by 100%. But we have to note one thing. In our question, we don't have mechanical advantage, so we have to calculate the mechanical advantage out. And mechanical advantage is given as load divided by effort. Load divided by effort. What is our load? Our load is 100 newtons. Our load is 100 newtons, and our effort is 70 newtons. So, and this is going to give us 100 over 70. We can leave it this way, we can reduce it, we can turn it to a decimal number depending on how you want to use it. So I will leave it this way, then I'll proceed. Since I know my mechanical advantage is 100 over 70, then I can impute the value of the mechanical advantage into my efficiency formula and the value of the velocity ratio into the efficiency formula and get the efficiency of the machine. So here I go. Efficiency is given as 100 divided by 70, and the fractional division line, I'll represent it with a division like this. What is my velocity ratio? 4 multiplied by 100%. So from this point, I can turn this division into a multiplication sign and invert this. That means my efficiency is going to be equals to 100 divided by 70 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 100%. And from this point, I can start doing any reduction I want to do, or at the same time pick my calculator and calculate everything out. So mathematically, this should give me 10,000 divided by 280. Efficiency is equals to 10,000 divided by 280, because the numerator will multiply the numerator here and multiply by 100, everything in percentage, and the denominator will multiply the denominator. That is how it is being done mathematically. So I have 10,000 divided by 280. Quickly, you can just pick your calculator and solve it. And the answer is 37.5. Okay, 35.7. I mean 35.71, 4, and so on. But looking at the options here, we have everything to be given to one decimal place, so we are just supposed to round up to one decimal place, and since this is 1, we round it down to be 0. 0 plus 7, 7 is still maintains the 7. Why am I writing 35.7%? So the correct option is B, option B. So to calculate the efficiency of a machine, the formula is mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio multiplied by 100%. And to get our mechanical advantage, the formula is load divided by effort. And note, the load shouldn't be in kilograms, it should be in newtons. So if you have your load in kilograms, you multiply it by 10. 10 is gotten from the acceleration due to gravity. This is a mass, and once you multiply your mass by 10 of the acceleration due to gravity, you are going to have a force measured in Newton. So thank you very much. I hope you've learned well today. Do subscribe to my channel for more solutions like this and like the video. Thank you very much.